Hey, frequent flyers. Ever wonder why your flight is always delayed? It's like they hand out delays with those tiny bags of peanuts. You get on the plane, get comfy, then bam, delay. Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the frustrating world of flight delays. We're going to expose the real reasons behind those dreaded announcements. So sit back, relax, and maybe grab one of those tiny bottles of airplane vodka. Let's go! You know how it goes. You wake up, skies are clear, birds are singing. Looks like a perfect day to fly the friendly skies. You're practically skipping to your gate, feeling like a rock star who somehow avoided the TSA pre-check line. But then, the dreaded announcement, we're experiencing a slight delay due to weather. Wait, what? You glance out the window and not a cloud in sight. It's like the weatherman just decided to mess with you for fun. But here's the thing. Weather delays aren't always about what's happening above you at that exact moment. It could be a storm brewing hundreds of miles away, messing with flight paths like a toddler with a plate of spaghetti. So remember, the one thing we can't control is the weather. So relax. And here's another reason. Ever notice how planes are basically giant, flying smartphones? They've got more buttons and screens than a spaceship. And just like your phone, sometimes they have a mind of their own. One minute you're scrolling through Instagram, the next minute it's frozen, demanding you turn it off and on again. Planes, same deal. Except instead of restarting, they need a team of highly trained mechanics with tiny screwdrivers. So that weird noise you heard during boarding? Probably nothing. Or maybe it's the engine about to fall off. Either way, there's a good chance it'll cause a delay. But hey, look at it this way. Would you rather be slightly late or falling from the sky? Picture this. Thousands of cars, all trying to merge onto the same highway at the same time. That's basically air traffic control, except instead of angry drivers honking, it's pilots trying to sound calm while secretly sweating bullets. See, the sky might look big and empty, but it's actually more like a giant game of air hockey, with planes zipping around, narrowly avoiding collisions. And the air traffic controllers? They're the referees, trying to keep everything from descending into total chaos. They've got a tough job, those air traffic controllers. So the next time you're stuck in a holding pattern, cut them some slack. And maybe just order an extra bag of peanuts. Here's a reason I know you haven't thought of, and that is the growing pilot shortage in the aviation industry. Many pilots are reaching retirement age, and there aren't enough new pilots to replace them. This shortage leads to more frequent flight delays and cancellations. Airlines are responding by increasing pilot training programs and offering better incentives. They're even recruiting from the military to fill the gaps. Despite these efforts, it will take time to fully address the shortage. So next time your flight is delayed, remember, it might just be because there aren't enough pilots to fly the planes. Patience is key as the industry works to resolve this issue. And finally, it's not just the weather or mechanical issues that cause delays. Often, flights are held up because they're waiting for connecting passengers and crew members. Airlines try to accommodate passengers who are transferring from other flights, and sometimes this means holding the plane a bit longer. Similarly, crew members might be coming in from other flights, and if they're delayed, your flight will be too. So next time you're stuck on the tarmac, remember, it might just be a case of waiting for a few more people to join the journey. There you have it, folks. The real reasons your flight gets delayed. I know it's frustrating. We've all been there, but air travel is still the safest way to get around. And understand that weather, a technical glitch, or those hard-working air traffic controllers could be the reason. Either way, keep calm, grab a snack, and just enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more travel tips. As always, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.